Have you ever thought about writing your own ebook? Welcome to the world of digital publishing, where you can reach a global audience, establish your expertise, and generate passive income. Imagine the thrill of seeing your name in the ebook stores, the satisfaction of sharing your knowledge, and the joy of earning from your passion. But where to start, you ask? Fear not. Today, we're going to simplify the process of creating and selling your own ebook. So, let's dive right in. The quickest and simplest way to create your ebook is by using Google Docs. This versatile platform is accessible from anywhere and allows you to easily format your text, add images, and even collaborate with others. Let's dive into the process. Start by opening a new document in Google Docs. Begin typing your text or import it if you have it written elsewhere. Google Docs offers a variety of formatting options. You can set your headings, subheadings, and body text. You can also insert images, tables, and links to make your ebook engaging and interactive. Now, coming to the title of your ebook. The title is the first thing your readers will see, so it's crucial to make it compelling. If you're unsure about what to title your ebook, consider using AI tools like Chat GPT. It can generate a variety of titles based on your input, providing you with a range of options to choose from. Next, let's talk about the table of contents. A well-structured table of contents can make your ebook easy to navigate. Again, you can use AI tools like Chat GPT to create a detailed and organized table of contents. Just remember, these AI-generated outputs may need a bit of tweaking to fit your specific needs. Moving on to the cover design. The cover is another essential element of your ebook. It needs to be visually appealing to draw the reader's attention. A tool like Canva can be invaluable for this. Canva offers a wide range of ebook cover templates that are easy to customize. You can change the text, colors, and images to align with your ebook's theme. Finally, once you've added all your content, formatted it, and designed your cover, it's time to save your ebook. Google Docs allows you to download your document as a PDF, which is the most widely accepted format for ebooks. So once your ebook is complete, remember to save it as a PDF document for later use. This concludes the creation stage of your ebook. Stay tuned as we navigate through the next steps of choosing a platform to sell your ebook and promoting it effectively. Now that you have created your ebook, the next step is to choose a platform to sell it. This can be a critical decision, as the platform you choose can significantly influence the success of your ebook. In the world full of options, we recommend a platform that's not just easy to navigate but also efficient in its offerings. Koji. Koji is a versatile platform that allows you to create your own storefront without any technical know-how. It's designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, making it an ideal choice for ebook authors who may not have a background in web design or e-commerce. With Koji, you don't need to worry about the technicalities of setting up a storefront. The platform does it for you. One of the standout features of Koji is its diverse range of templates. It offers a specific template for selling digital products, including ebooks and audiobooks. This makes the process of setting up your ebook for sale a breeze. You can customize the template to match your brand, giving your storefront a unique and professional look. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Well, Koji operates on a freemium model. This means you can sign up for a free account and start selling your ebook right away. The only fee you'll need to pay is a 10% fee per transaction. This fee includes transaction fees from the payment processor, making it a cost-effective option for new and emerging ebook authors. But what about the customer experience? Koji ensures a seamless shopping experience for your customers. The platform is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for your customers to navigate your storefront and purchase your ebook. To sum up, Koji offers a simple, efficient, and cost-effective solution for selling your ebook. It takes the hassle out of setting up a storefront, allowing you to focus on what you do best: writing. Before you start, make sure to sign up for a free Koji account. Creating an ebook and setting up a storefront is just the beginning. You still need to market and promote your ebook. Indeed, even the most compelling ebook won't sell if people don't know it exists. So let's dive into some effective strategies to promote your ebook and get it into the hands of eager readers. Firstly, consider leveraging the power of social media platforms, such as YouTube and Instagram. These platforms are excellent avenues for you to share related content and sneak peeks of your ebook. For example, you could create a YouTube video discussing a topic related to your ebook and subtly promote your ebook during the video. Similarly, on Instagram, You could post engaging images or short video clips related to your ebook, or even share quotes from your book as Instagram posts or stories. Next, let's talk about email marketing, a tried and true method for promoting digital products like ebooks. Building a newsletter or an email list allows you to establish a direct line of communication with your potential customers. You can send them updates, offer special discounts, or even share snippets of your ebook to pique their interest. Koji, the platform we recommended for selling your ebook, offers its own email sign-up template. You can integrate this into your link in bio page, making it easy for your followers to sign up for your newsletter. However, if you need something more advanced for email marketing, consider using ConvertKit. ConvertKit offers a suite of robust features designed for creators, including customizable sign-up forms, automated email sequences, and detailed analytics to track your progress. But remember, promotion is not a one-size-fits-all game. You may need to experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your specific ebook and your audience. Maybe your audience responds better to engaging Instagram stories, or perhaps they prefer in-depth YouTube videos. Also, don't forget the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage your readers to share your ebook with their friends or leave reviews. Positive reviews can significantly boost your ebook's visibility and credibility. Lastly, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Promoting an ebook, like any other product, takes time and persistence. If one strategy doesn't seem to be working, don't hesitate to pivot and try a different approach. Remember, your ebook won't sell itself. Pivot and try a different approach if you're not seeing the results you want. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep writing. After all, the world needs your stories. Creating and selling an ebook is an exciting journey. It's a journey that begins with a simple idea, blossoms into a full-fledged ebook, and culminates in a successful business model. Let's recap the steps we've discussed in this video. Step 1 is all about creating your ebook, and the simplest way to do this is by using Google Docs. With the help of AI tools such as Chat GPT, you can generate an ebook title or even a table of contents. And for a striking cover design, Canva is your best bet. Remember to save your finished ebook as a PDF document for future use. The second step is choosing a platform to sell your ebook. We recommended Koji for its simplicity and efficiency. It allows you to create your own storefront without needing any technical skills. The ebooks and audiobooks template is perfect for selling ebooks, and the only fee you'll have to pay is a 10% transaction fee. The third and final step is promoting your ebook. You've created a product, and now it's time to market it. You can post related content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram, or utilize email marketing to build a newsletter or an email list. Koji's email sign-up template and ConvertKit are excellent tools for this purpose. Remember, your ebook won't sell itself. It requires your time, effort, and creativity to promote it. If you don't see immediate results, don't be disheartened. Instead, pivot and try a different approach. Each step of this journey is a learning experience, and each experience brings you one step closer to success. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to stop procrastinating and start creating. Use the method we've outlined in this video and start your own ebook business today. Who knows? Your ebook might just be the next bestseller. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes and shares help us create more content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and take care.